Hi guys, in the chapter number 9 of PHP course, you will learn about function in PHP. Function is one important topic in any programming language. Same like in PHP, you have to learn about function. So in the chapter number 9 of PHP course, function in PHP, different topic you will be learn from this chapter. What is function? Creating and calling of function means how you can create a function and how you can call a function in PHP. Different types of function, built-in function, user-defined function, and also parameter and arguments, difference between parameter and arguments, and also different types of argument. For example, one argument, multiple argument, default argument, keyword argument, and position argument. These different types of argument you will be learn from this chapter number 9. And also another topic, variable in function. So these are different types of outline that will be covered in chapter number 9. So don't miss any lecture from this chapter 9 because we learn many things about basics and something advanced related to function in PHP.